Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are happy and healthy wherever you are. I'm so happy to see you again because it has been so long. We cannot study together, we cannot see each other at the classroom, and we have to do everything online. However, I hope you can adapt as soon as possible and do your best in this reading class. So today I'm going to give you a material for midterm test. However, I know that maybe some of you forget about the material in the previous meeting. So here I want to review again what have we learned in the previous meeting. Okay, so the midterm test is about text structure. We focus on non-fiction organizational pattern. Do you still remember what text structure is? I bet some of you forget about this one. It's okay. So everyone, text structure is how the text is organized. When you are reading or you are writing, you have to know about the organization of paragraph. It's better for you to identify what kind of structure it is, because if you know the text structure, you can get the information quickly. And fiction. How about fiction? What is the text structure of fiction? Do you still remember what fiction is? Yes, right. So fiction is based on imaginary character, setting, and etc. So it's not a real. For text structure in fictions, all fictions are chronological. How about the stories? Yes, all stories are chronological. However, when they are describing about the setting or about the personal character, it must be descriptive, not chronological anymore. And in this case, we are discussing nonfiction, and nonfiction has a lot of text structures. Remember, each paragraph may be different. If you find some paragraph in a tag, yeah, each paragraph in that tag may have different text structure. Don't be confused. And today we are learning about 6 types of text structure. Okay, let's go to the first text structure. It is spatial, space, or descriptive. So the information in the passage is organized in order of space or location. In this case, the information is organized based on the specific description. Yeah, the text structure of descriptive describes something, yeah, in order of space and describe how something looks, ya. Bagaimana, seperti apa penampakan dari topik yang dijelaskan. Time doesn't pass in this passage, so you will not find some specific time here. For example, if the topic is about bedroom, so the information will be description of the bedroom itself. The windows on the west wall, a bed in the middle, a television across from the bed, a closet by the TV. Okay, I hope you remember. Okay, so talking about signal words, to find it easily, whether it is descriptive or sequence or others, you can look at the signal words. When you are writing as well, you have to use this kind of signal words. For example, next to, behind, across from, below that, above that, to the right of. And then sometimes you give some definition or brief introduction about the topic. So you have to define the topic. You can use is called, is defined, for example, and etc. Okay, the next one is chronological. So the organization of chronological means that the information are organized based on the order of time. Yeah, chronological comes from two words. The first is chronological, time. Yeah, so the stories are told chronologically. This one, the example of chronological text structure in this chart. Move away, met a girl, fell in love. So first he or she moved away. I'm sorry, he moved away, and finally he met a girl, and then they fell in love. Finally, they got married. Or about the timeline: born in, married in, died in. You will find this text structure mostly in biography or about the history. Next, for transitional signal, you can read by yourself. There are after, during, immediately, next, finally, initially, long, not long after, second, soon, later, first, and etc. Okay, is it clear? Very good. Number 3, sequence or order of importance. So it contains steps described in the order they occur. You still remember? The information is organized based on the steps or the order they occur. For example, this one, how to make sandwich. Get bread, open jar, spread the peanut butter, spread jelly, combine slice, enjoy. Remember, the difference between sequence and chronological is in the time. It is order of importance if you will not find a specific point in time. Okay, and this is the signal words. Yeah, I think it's almost the same like chronological, but in chronological you will find specific time. Okay, next, cause and effect. So it explains reason why something happened or explain the effect of something. Do you still remember about the example? So the cause is students come late, yeah. The effect, they miss quiz, not ready to study, get punishment. That's the example of cause and effect. And this one for transitional words, there are consequently, effects of, finally, first, for the reason, how to, how, in order to, therefore, thus, when, then, and etc. Next, problem and solution. So the author states a problem and solution. It is similar to cause and effect, but you will find solution or answer or opinion there. For example, the first problem is bad score. The solution, you can study together or review the material at home. And the second example, tiger were endangered. Therefore, the solution is making laws to protect them. Okay, it's very easy. This one is the transition words Rational words, it's almost the same like cause and effect. Yeah. Okay, finally we come to the last text structure, compare and contrast. So in this tag, you will find some similarities and differences. Yeah, compare means find similarities, contrast means find differences. So you will find two things are being compared. This one, for example, apples and orange. The similarities are they both fruits have seeds, healthy, and the difference is color. Apple has red colors, taste is nice, sweet, and etc. I'm sure you already know about it. And then this one is about the transitional words, but however, instead of either, different, still, although, similar to, and etc. Okay, I hope my explanation is already clear and you finally remember what have you got with me in the classroom. And the next one, I will tell you how to do the test. The first one, get ready physically. Maybe you can go to the bathroom, or you can take a bath, or you can everything that you want to do before having the test. The test will last for 30 minutes. Yeah, it can be more. And the second one, you have to prepare your laptop or mobile phone, and you have to get your quota. But don't worry, it's just a small application and it will not spend much quota. And the third one, you can open joinmyquiz.com and enter the code or just click the link. After that, you have to input your full name. Yeah, full name. And number 5, do the test quickly because there is a duration in every question. It can be different for each question. The range is from 30 seconds until 2 minutes for each number. It depends on the difficulty or the length of the text. And number 5, the number 6, don't cheat and chat. The questions were jumbled. So don't try to call your friends to match your answer because the questions were jumbled. Number 7, do till the end. You are not allowed to quit the quiz before you end the test. And if you get some troubles or problem, just send message through my WA. You can read or save my number there. Don't ever try to disturb other friends because they are busy in doing the test. And there is no interruption. Number 9, make it sure you finish doing the test until the end. So it's like number 7, you have to make sure you are finished all the steps. Yeah, there will be 25 questions and it's very easy for you. I'm sure you can do it. And the last one, good luck everyone. Remember, you have to pray before doing tests. May God help you in doing the test. For Muslim, you can say istighfar, yeah, to uh, help you doing the test. Yeah, that's what I said when I'm doing something, and the result is amazing. Okay, so that's all my explanation about the mid test. I hope all of you are having a good experience in doing the test and the result is good as well. The last message for me, fight for now, get better for tomorrow. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.